Hello and welcome to video 15. Division, what does it mean?
So, the division symbol looks like this. And the vocab that we have for division is obviously divide, divided by, divisible by, group, share, and share equally. So they're the words, but what does it actually mean? So I'm going to draw out a number sentence. I'm going to say 9 divided by 3 is the same as. So here I've got my 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to first look at this bit here. Division using share or share equally. So here we're saying we've got 9 units and we need to share them equally between 3 groups. So here are my 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to share these 9 equally between these 3 groups. So you can see in each group I've got 3. 9 shared equally between 3 groups is the same as 3. However, there's another way of doing division. I'm just going to get rid of these, line my 9 back up again. We're going to have a look at the word group. So instead of saying shared here, we're going to say the word group. 9 grouped into 3s is the same as. So I've got 9 here and I'm grouping that into one group of 3. I've got 9 here and I'm grouping that into another group of 3, and I've got 9 here and grouping that into another group of 3. I've still got 3 groups, but there's a different meaning. I'm going to go through this with a word problem to make that a lot clearer for you. I'm going to change my number sentence. Let's go with 18 divided by 3 is the same as. So, our word problem, we're going to have 18 flowers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, so now if we look at this symbol here, the division symbol, as shared equally, we could say 8 shared equally between 3, and I'm going to have 3 vases here. 1, 2, 3. And in that I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I've clearly got 6 flowers in each vase. So 18 shared equally between 3 is the same as 6. Now, if I was to look at that symbol and do it as grouping here, so we're actually going to say 18 grouped into groups of 3, almost like I'm doing 3 in a bunch. You can see that I've got 6 groups, but it's a different meaning. division still means that we're splitting up into certain groups or sharing into equal groups. So this number is going to be smaller, but there's two meanings for division. Let's have a look at this example here. And again, I'm going to use my flower word problem example. So I've got 21, and I'm going to group them into groups of 5. You might want to bear with me while I'm drawing them all out. 20, 21. So I'm going to group 21 equally. I'm going to group them into groups of 5. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see I've got one left over here. We call that a remainder. So 21 divided by 5 is the same as 4 remainder 1. Let's add our new learning to our number mind map. We're going to put a new branch from here up to here because we're looking at division. And we said we've got groups, shared equally. We had divisible, divide, divide by, and we used our picture representation to see what it meant. So we knew that there's two ways of doing it. We could share it. I gave the example of the flowers in the vases, so we could share them equally between 3 vases, or we could group them. Remember, we were talking about bunches, so grouping the flowers into bunches of 3. There we go. We also talked about remainders, and that's when we had some left over. We couldn't share them equally.